Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to scan a PayPal QR code for quick and easy payments. The reason you want to learn this is that scanning a PayPal QR code allows you to make secure payments instantly without needing cash or a card. Whether you're paying for a purchase, splitting a bill, or donating, this method is fast, convenient, and contactless. This video is perfect for anyone who uses PayPal for everyday transactions or wants to learn a hassle-free way to pay businesses, friends, or even charities using a QR code. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to scan a PayPal QR code. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is navigate to your PayPal app, or what I do is I just pull down, type in the app, so in this case it's PayPal, and it will pop up right here. So click on that, wait for it to load up, you'll see your balance, you'll see everything, but what you want to focus on is actually going to be in the top right corner, and it's going to be right next to your profile picture to the left. It looks like 4 little squares, and just click on that, and that will actually bring up where you can scan other people's QR codes. It'll bring up your code, and it'll also bring a code that says show to pay. So literally all you do is show it to pay, and that's really it. It's as simple as that to, well, scan a code, provide your code, and show to pay on PayPal. Now that we covered that, before we end this video, here are some important tips to consider. Tip number 1 is to make sure your camera is clean and has access permissions for the PayPal app to scan the code effectively. Tip number 2 is to confirm the recipient's details before completing the payment to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Number 3 is if the QR code doesn't scan, you can manually enter the recipient's details as a backup precaution. The last tip is to keep your PayPal app updated to access the latest features and ensure smooth functionality. So there are some tips to consider, and that really wraps up this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial and find it helpful, please be sure to drop a like on this video. And also be sure to share it with a friend, but most importantly of all, be sure to subscribe for future tutorials. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one.